In Module 1 of the Perth Fitness Industry Professional Development Weekend, we will be covering human movement basics. We'll look at the biomechanical basics of human movement as they're expressed through elements of powerlifting, Olympic weightlifting, and unloaded bodyweight movements. The Perth Fitness Industry Professional Development Weekend is being held in September 2018. This is open to all Perth health and fitness professionals, trainers and coaches. This is going to be an intensive, information-dense learning weekend, and it'll leave you with an incredible depth and breadth of knowledge and hundreds of practical applications in the fields of exercise, of fitness, and the business of being a fitness professional. So invest in yourself, invest in your business, and supercharge your personal, your professional, and your business development. You'll take your value and your expertise to a whole new level. For more details or to secure your ticket, visit rangeofmotion.net.au/fitness industry PD 2018. I hope to see you there.